Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 403 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on languages and input and pick languages at the top of this list. And basically here we've got the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically find yours and tap on it, and let me pick maybe I believe I saw Greek somewhere. Yes, here we've got it. I believe so. So let's simply tap on the language, in my case this one. Alright, and sometimes you can also pick the region, so just tap on the one you'd like to apply. And as you can see, we've got the language applied to this whole list. However, the English is still a main one, so all we have to do is to tap on the option, and then we will be able to, the whole system will be displayed in the new language. Let me show it to you again. Here we've got the list, we've got the Greek language applied, and we've got English under it. So let's simply tap on English. And as you can see, immediately we will have the English applied. If you want, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now you can mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. Confirm it with tapping on remove, and as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.